Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're just starting out with Power BI or you want to make your data visuals pop, today's tutorial is definitely for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create a clustered column chart with multiple x-axis categories in Power BI, perfect for comparing groups, like different categories across months and years. By the end, you'll know how to build these clear, layered charts that show a ton of insight at a glance. Let's jump straight in. To keep things simple and focused, I've already entered the demo data we'll be using today. But let me show you how you can do it yourself so you can follow along or recreate this later. Start by going to the Home tab in Power BI and clicking on Enter Data. This opens a window where you can paste or type your data. For this example, I've got 4 columns: year, month, category, and sales. Here, what's in the table 2023 and 2024 are our years, with months Jan to Mar for each, and inside each month, categories A and B along with some sales numbers. If you're new to Power BI, Enter Data is a fast way to get some sample numbers in so you don't have to connect to a big database or Excel file while you're just practicing. Once your table is in Power BI, let's move on to creating that powerful clustered column chart. Over on the Insert tab at the top, click Clustered Column Chart. You'll see a blank chart area appear on your canvas, and on the right side there's the Fields pane. This is where you drag your columns to turn that empty square into an actual chart. First, look for the axis field well, drag year in there, but we're not stopping with just the year. To create that multiple x-axis effect, also drag month right below year in the axis area. Power BI will recognize this as a hierarchy, so you'll see both year and month stacked on your x-axis, letting you compare data for each month across years. Next, for the legend, pull in category. This way, category A and B will show up side by side for each month, making comparisons easy. Finally, for values, grab the sales column. This fills in those columns with data. Here, where formatting makes a big difference. In the charts options, head over to the Format pane and look for the x-axis settings. You'll notice you can toggle between categorical and continuous. Categorical means Power BI will show every combination exactly as you entered, so every unique year and month gets its own spot on the x-axis, which is great for when you want to see all your data points and keep things clear. If you pick continuous, it'll treat your axis like a squishy timeline, which can be nice for trends, but for this multi-category view, categorical usually makes the group stand out cleaner. So don't worry if you're new, it's okay to flip between these options and see which makes your chart easiest to read. Now take a look at the result. If everything's set up right, you'll notice that your chart groups January, February, and March below both 2023 and 2024 on the x-axis. And for each month, Category A and Category B sales are shown side by side, just like mini bar clusters for every time period. This layout is super useful anytime you need to compare groups within groups, like different regions within quarters or departments within years. You get a clear, layered view that's easy for your boss or your client to understand at a glance. So that's it, building a great-looking clustered column chart with multiple x-axis categories in Power BI. Take your time exploring the formatting options and don't worry if you need to go back and adjust things. Power BI is all about experimenting until your data tells the story you want. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help if you get stuck. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Power BI videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.